Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, and Vanakkam, everybody. Welcome back to Raw Life of Planless. So, this is how day is going to start. Let's see. Bismillah. Kulja Sim Sim. Let's be good. Do good. So, hello everyone. I'm gonna show you a very important knowledge. For this thing, I wasted plenty of money, bro. Plenty of money just to know whether the thing which I'm telling you is perfect or not. So can you just see this building? Yeah, wala building cafe or something like that. And I'll even mention the few names or few company names like Smart Groups. And this one was like Gold Star Gold LLC. And there's one more. If you get so this basically I'm going to tell you about the scams which are going to happen in the Dubai is actually a safe place, but people like they do the scam. It's not a scam, it's like they'll take your money and they'll farar. What happen is when you are coming to Dubai, the first and foremost thing you are looking is for job. So everybody use this advantage as their criteria and they take take advantage of you. For example, if you are looking for a job, the first thing is you will search for a job for in every website, right? So they'll post that they're going to provide you with job, and once you go there, it is nothing but they'll just give you all this thing that they do have this job, that job, what and all job, whatever the job it is, they'll say that yeah we do have. They'll just send you the mail. If the mail is in this format like dear candidate or dear applicant without your name or something, think that 50% of that is scam. And second thing is, if you get your location for the interview in this area, see this area very goodly, very clearly, or that building, one more building, there is Al Zain something, I'll show you from the front view. If you get an interview from that area or this area, that building, in the sense Abu Hail metro station, I'm telling you this metro station, Abu Hail metro station. So if you get any kind of interview from this area, that's it, don't come, because 90% of this thing is going to be a scam. What they'll tell us, okay, we do have this job, that job, what and all job you need, but they'll ask you, we are going to provide you with the visa, we are going to take care of your medical fees, this, that and all, but for the agreement you do need to pay like 500 dirhams to 300 dirhams, they'll tell. And my brother was telling me, bhai, this is all scam, you won't don't go for all these things, you'll get loss of money and this and all. So I was like, no, it's okay, मैं तो बहुत होशियार हूँ, चालाक बंदा हूँ, I know everything about how world works, this and all. I told him, no, I'll go for it, this, that and all. So when I go there, I was shocked. I thought to record a video, but it was not happening. I'm just disappointing now. I should have taken a video. Chupa ke, matlab by hiding I should have taken a video so that you people will get to know. This is me coming here. I know that this is a scam. I thought once again I'll visit here so that एक बार you do have that trust, right? Like once upon a time kuch to ho jayega, something will happen. So that's how this area completely broke my trust. So that is what, that metro station, you will take an exit, Abu Hail metro station. When you take an exit, this building, I'm telling you, the whole area is just like a scam. Okay, if you get an interview from this area, this is a scam. Don't go for it. And once you go for it, if you wanted to know whether it is a scam or not, yeah, what he is telling, we do have lots of hope on this. As I didn't believe others, even you people can't also believe me, right? So what you can do is, the best thing, make sure that your pockets are empty, mostly empty. Don't carry any money with you. For example, when I came for the first interview, they didn't ask me any money because I wasn't looking that keen on the job. I just went fatak, and I came. When I went for the second time with my brother, he was sitting down, I took my wallet and I kept it there. So they asked me to pay this much of money. I was tempted because they told me this dirhams you are going to get this salary, this and all is going to happen, so you will get this and all, they told me. So I was tempted with it. I was like, let's go, let's do this, and I thought this thing will happen. But the best thing is I didn't carry my wallet. If I had carried my wallet, definitely they would. What she asked me, she asked me 500 dirhams for the agreement. I asked, I asked her, show me the agreement. She simply showed me some bullshit papers, bro. Seriously. Not this building, that building. That building will be your entry. That is also one more scam. I just walked up to here to show you people how it is. Okay. So the thing is, don't get caught into all this. Just be looking for the more things. Inshallah, God will give you more chances for you and for me. Let's hope for the best things. Okay. So yeah, she told me what is. She asked me for 500 dirhams for the agreement thing. She didn't show me the agreement, and she's telling. I told I don't have money. Then she's telling what and all money do you have in your pocket? She's asking me literally तेरे जेब में कितना पैसा है? मतलब जो भीख मांगते हैं ना वो वाला कल्चर में पूछ रही है. What and all money do you have in your pocket? I was like confused. What is this, bro? Literally, this is the scam. This should be recorded in the camera. And these are like the offices with the little cabins. Once you walk in there are no too many people. You'll get an interview like HR is like Miss Nimsha, what and all names. I'll just mention you. I'll even mention the mails which I got, which are fake, which asked me for the particular money. I don't know what and all the scenes is. So don't get faked up. Be looking for a good job, inshallah. Wait, I told you right. This is the entrance of this building, and in the fourth floor and the second floor, City Bay. This building, they asked me for the money. I'm not telling anything bad about the building or something. I'm just telling you the truth, what happened with me. And you people don't get, what do you say? Don't get scammed by these things, okay? I'm telling you, inshallah, God will give you more chances. Don't pay any money to these people, because my brother told there are his friends who paid money for these things and they got scammed. Because once you pay them money, they don't have any interlink for you, okay? Once you are paying them money, they'll tell you they'll provide you with job, this and all. How can they provide you with job, bro? They are just like administration. They are like some people, even they are waiting for their own salary, because they are scamming the people, and that's how they are going to get their salary. Depending upon how good you are, they are asking you the money. So don't get scammed, bro, okay? This is my knowledge I'm sharing with you. Utilize it, help yourself. Okay, bye. And this is once again, I need to waste money for the metro. हाय मेरा दिल टूट जा रहा है. How's my haircut looking, bro? This fade thing is so good, right? And if I do like this, सुने ही अखियों वाली, सुना है तेरी अखियों से. This is metro station's washroom, which are neat and clean, mashallah. ठीक है. Let's go. Once again, biryani for the brunch, lunch plus breakfast.